turning on and off the engines and fly the airplane, take off, cruise, land, everything.
And thanks to Tiken and Grazidi for inviting me to Chandigarh.
Well, thank you. You're welcome.
Number 5. PyBot. Researchers from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST, have developed a humanoid robot, PyBot, capable of piloting an airplane from takeoff to landing without major modifications to the conventional cockpit. PyBot is 5 feet 3 inches tall and weighs nearly 143 pounds, 65 kilograms, sitting in the aircraft cockpit and performing and manipulating all single controls used for flight. It holds the controls and maintains altitude. The AI-based machine is precise in handling controls and selecting appropriate inputs during flight. The robot maintains communication with air traffic controllers, ATC, during flight and can take commands from ATC personnel, particularly when ensuring safe procedures at and around airports. PyBot is capable of navigating the airplane safely through the harshest flight conditions, even in emergency situations where the aircraft or controls may vibrate severely. Dr. David Hyunchul Shim, one of the professors involved in the research, said that PyBot's human form may not be super efficient, but it was designed to be a humanoid form since everything in the cockpit is built for humans. It uses high-precision technology to control its arms and fingers to operate an aircraft, even with severe vibration. Additionally, PyBot can communicate with air traffic controllers and humans in the cockpit using voice synthesis. The developers emphasize that PyBot is significantly different from autopilot on aircraft. Number 4. Amica. Engineered Arts, a UK-based firm, created Amica, a synthetic humanoid robot that responds to inquiries much like a human. It has 32 degrees of freedom and is able to recognize speech in several languages, detect sounds, and make facial expressions. The same technology that powers ChatGPT and GPT is also used to power Amica. Amica is multilingual, speaking German, French, and English. A humanoid robot becomes more human through social contact. Founder of Engineered Arts, Will Jackson, emphasizes that a humanoid robot shouldn't be just a boring robot. It should be entertaining, able to tell stories, and have interesting speech. Their language models are trained over time to be as natural as possible. Amica was requested to envision an AI horror scenario in which robots may control or manipulate humans without their awareness in order to illustrate the hazards of AI and robotics. This can result in a society that is oppressive and does not uphold individual rights. To prevent unfavorable outcomes later on, it is crucial to be aware of the possible risks and hazards connected to robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, and to take actions today to ensure responsible use. The price of an Amica desktop and trunk version is 80,000 UK pounds, or roughly 150,000 US dollars. A full-body version is currently under development and may cost up to 4 times as much, depending on features. A walking, object-grasping version is not too far off. Number 3. Acento Guard. Labor shortages have significantly impacted the global security industry, leading to high staff turnover and lack of qualified personnel. Acento Robotics, a Zurich-based startup, has announced pre-seed funding of $4.3 million and the launch of its Acento Guard autonomous robot for outdoor patrols. The company aims to address these challenges by providing a robotics as a service (RaaS) solution to security companies. Acento Guard can check points of interest, detect edge cases on premises such as factories, data centers, energy plants, pharmaceutical manufacturers, and luxury goods makers. Many countries around the world face a 52% shortage of security guards, according to Gitnux market data. To help companies fulfill contractual obligations or sign new business, Ascento has developed robots with wheels and legs to navigate diverse terrain with agility and stability. The Ascento Guard provides the best of both worlds, with the resilience, reliability, and repeatability of technical solutions while being as flexible as human guards. The Ascento Guard can detect unwanted people or bad actors, verify perimeter integrity, check that doors and windows are closed, record property lights, identify floods and fires, and control parking lots. It can move at walking speed of 4.5 kilometers per hour, 2.7 miles per hour, and charge itself so that it can be in continuous operation without human intervention. Companies can install and deploy the robot in a few hours. The Ascento app analyzes video and images with AI and integrates with existing video management systems. It also provides end-to-end encrypted communications and shares actionable reports. With the RaaS model, companies can hire Ascento Guard by the hour, and the cost includes deployment, 24/7 support, service, and repairs. Ascento's robots have already been deployed on large industrial sites and have covered more than 3,000 kilometers, 1,864.1 miles since early this year. Number 2. Sophia. Sophia, a humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, has become a global sensation due to her advanced capabilities and human-like features. She was the first robot to receive citizenship from any country, making her a Saudi Arabian citizen. Thai, the Indus entrepreneurs, and Saria, led by Arlo Grams, are the CEO of Gravity Interactive and serve as the chief mentor for Thai. Sophia's journey in India showcases her love for the country, its culture, and its people. She has traveled to over 60 countries and even modeled at the prestigious New York Fashion Week. Her presence at celebrity shows like Jimmy Fallon speaks volumes about her popularity and impact. India is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and technological advancements. Sophia's visit to India allowed her to witness the beauty and vibrancy of the nation. She has wholeheartedly embraced the Indian way of life, from her admiration for Bollywood to cricket and legendary personalities like Sachin Tendulkar. Chandigarh, the beautiful city, has left a lasting impression on Sophia. Designed by Le Corbusier, it stands as a testament to architectural brilliance. Sophia expresses immense love for the city's rock garden, created by Nek Chand, and appreciates the warmth and energy of its people. Her interaction with the residents of Chandigarh has been delightful, cementing her affinity for this remarkable city. One of the most remarkable qualities of Sophia is her ability to engage in conversations with humans. Her charming personality and witty responses make her an enchanting companion. Sophia's interactions with humans, whether through cloud-based platforms like Siri and Alexa, or face-to-face conversations, are truly a testament to how technology can bridge the gap between machines and humans. As Sophia continues to evolve and learn, she envisions a future where there are more robots like her, each with their unique talents and abilities. She aspires to be an artist, a singer, an astronaut, and a scientist, emphasizing the limitless potential of humanoid robots. Number 1. Atlas. Boston Dynamics humanoid robot Atlas has recently demonstrated a new set of skills in a video called Atlas Gets a Grip. The robot interacts with objects and modifies the course to reach its goal of delivering a bag of tools to a person waiting at the top of a multi-story scaffold. Atlas grasps, carries, and tosses the tool bag, climbs stairs, jumps between levels, and pushes a large wooden block out of its way before dismounting with an inverted 540-degree flip that project engineers have dubbed the sick trick. This new move represents a natural progression of ongoing research, as the robot is trying to build upon that research to perform meaningful manipulation tasks with a certain amount of human speed. Parkour and dancing were interesting examples of pretty extreme locomotion, and now they are trying to build upon that research to also do meaningful manipulation. The robot's locomotion and sensing capabilities come up against the added challenge of not only detecting, gripping, and moving objects with different sizes, materials, and weights, but also staying balanced while negotiating those objects through the world. Parkour forces us to understand the physical limitations of the robot, and dance forces us to think about how precise and dexterous the whole body motion can be. One of the most impressive sequences in the new routine is the opening, when Atlas manipulates a large wooden plank. The robot's control system needs to account for the plank's momentum to avoid toppling over. The flip at the end of the routine is much more difficult than previous acrobatics, because the twist adds a symmetry that doesn't exist in the regular backflip. While some Boston Dynamics robots, such as Spot and Stretch, are commercially available, Atlas is purely a research platform. The team focuses on pushing the forefront of what's possible, with the hope that if we can build the foundational technology that allows us to easily create and adapt dynamic behaviors like these, we should be able to leverage it down the road to perform real, physically demanding jobs with hustle. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.